This is a Lamborghini Huracan Performante LP640-4, and it's the craziest car I've ever gotten my hands on. So the Performante is a more track-focused version of the Huracan, which is already kind of track-focused. But this car is 40 kilos lighter. It has the Lamborghini ALA, which stands for Lamborghini Aerodinamica Attiva. If I said that wrong, correct me in my comments, roast me, whatever. It has these beautiful center exit exhaust, which is, oh my God. There's a new trend on Instagram. Your car doesn't have center exhaust. It's regular traffic. So according to that, if you have a regular Huracan, your car is regular traffic. So the Huracan Performante is 640 horsepower and it's all-wheel drive. I did not just Google that. You may ask me, then how do you know that? It's because of the model designation. It's 640-4. 640 stands for 640 horsepower. -4 stands for all-wheel drive. If you see a car that's -2, it means that's a rear-wheel drive. Very simple. So the Performante is now the 9th fastest car on Nürburgring with the time of 6 minutes and 52 seconds. The Huracan Performante is the 9th fastest. What is the first fastest? That would be the Mercedes AMG 1 with a time of 6 minutes and 30 seconds, which is like 22 seconds faster than the Huracan Performante. So,
my butt hurts.
that's what she said. Are you gonna tell me that my BMW is uncomfortable next time?
Your BMW is not uncomfortable.
202 miles per hour or 325 kilometers per hour of top speed. 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. Carbon ceramic brakes, which has the flag of Iran for... These are some of the cool specs of this car, but you may have already known that. What you did not know is, if you press the button down here, you can actually subscribe to my channel. And if you turn your notifications on, you get notified every time I upload a cool video.
That was smooth.
Dr. J, may I have the pleasure to drive this car?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. So first impressions, these seats are phenomenal, hug you very well, but they're not that uncomfortable. They're hard to get in and out of, but I don't feel uncomfortable, do you?
Yeah.
They're very comfortable, very daily drivable. This steering wheel, amazing shape, I really love it. Everything about the interior of this car looks like a fighter jet. Like these buttons to pull down your windows. The funny thing is, push it up for the window to go down.
Just like Apple.
You have your lift system over here for all of you who always complain about Malaysian roads being very hard to drive lowered cars on. So another thing about this car, everybody see for the past 20 minutes or 30 minutes that we've been here, every car that passes by takes photos. That's something that I have not experienced extensively, but this is on another level. You don't need to wrap this car in 2 colors to get attention. Other than that, this is genius. They knew that you want to be comfortable and rest your feet, and you don't want to rest your feet on forged carbon, which this car is like that's just absolutely filled with. Alcantara, beautiful interior, so uncomfortable. My back is already starting to hurt. This is absolutely the craziest car I've ever driven. I'm not gonna drive it for long, and I'm not gonna drive it fast because frankly I cannot afford this car. If you can contact Dr. J, link down below in the description. You can get this car, it's now available for sale, or any other cars that you would want to import to Malaysia. You can check out the stocks that they already have ready. As always, thank you for supporting the channel. Your guys' support that make things like this happen. Let's go for 100,000 subs or 1 million subs so I can actually afford to buy one of these, so I wouldn't be so scared to drive it.
But before you end the video, I have one request. Can you rev the car for us?
Yes, Yes.
So let me go out, do some burnouts, do some donuts.
Yes, burnouts and donuts. Oh my god. I need one of them. 1 million subscribers. See you guys.
I think that dog likes the car.
I like the dog.